Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
All right, first fish. It's been slow. First fish we caught on the jig. It's a little brown jig, but first one. Let's go. Justin's got a big one. Oh yeah, nice. This is a largie. It's a largie. Come over here. That's a good one, dude. Oh yeah. Yeah.
Hell yeah.
Let's go.
Hell yeah.
Here we go. Justin with the largie caught that on a Dang Spro Poppin' Frog glide bait. Yeah. There we go. All right, let's get that release.
Yes,
I guess my GoPro wanted to turn on for some reason because I said that. So it's been about an hour. It's been slow, but me and Justin have figured something out, changing colors. And both of us first cast and fish on. Justin caught a 4-pounder, but he was just off by a couple, but really pretty fish. And we're still going to be grinding away. Oh, a little spot. A little chunky spot. There you go.
There you go.
Oh, he was. Oh, I got him good.
Look the same way as mine.
Little RG. They are warm.
Yeah, they are. Well, I've already caught more than I've ever caught here in my life.
Nice spot. He is very little spot, but on the jig. On that jig, they like that brown today. There you go. Here.